Okay, cool. So yeah, let's get into it. So Maine goes on a trip, big move to the upside. What a surprise. So going to kind of talk about the charts real quick here. And yeah, we'll kind of go from there. So drew out this level last Tuesday. Maybe it was Wednesday. I think it was Tuesday. We have this little fair value gap right here. So this candle to this candle, this space in between is a fair value gap. And then we have, as you can see here, we have these highs right in there, little sneaky weekly highs that got taken out on this most recent move. So we've now filled in this gap. We've taken out these highs. And I said this is an area where we could see Bitcoin pause. Not saying I think that the rally's over. Not saying that I expect us to crash down to zero, but just pause at the very least. And we've seen that so far. So if you start zooming in, even lower than the 12-hour, you can see this is clearly an area of potential resistance here. Not potential resistance, it is resistance. So we're seeing price stutter a little bit here, struggle, and that's kind of what I was expecting. Now, we had this very nice move up. Now, I'm very upset with myself for fumbling some amazing fucking longs. When we were trading December's range here, remember, I had the clear bias. I said, listen, first of all, I fumbled these longs here. If you guys remember, I did a video on that. I fumbled these longs here, but I was only targeting up into the range highs on those anyways. But once we got above 44, I told myself, okay, if we're above 44, I'm going to long because I think that my bearish scenario of a lower high was invalidated on us closing and holding above kind of not 44, but 45, 46 was the area, which was just about above December's high. So once that happened and we had strength, which we clearly did, the plan was to long. So I decided to long Ethereum in this consolidation here. I longed 2 mil of ETH, so like over 1,000 Ethereum right in this consolidation here. And I literally closed fucking the majority of it for a fart. I held on to some for the full move. Well, not the full move even, but up into like here. But oh man, it would have been my biggest win of the year. It was just a poorly. I'm very frustrated, with myself. You can ask, my fiance. I've been moping around the last couple days because I'm just. It was a high confidence trade. I knew why I was long. I had my clear risk dialed in. I had confirmed, at least in my opinion, that we're breaking out on Bitcoin, and I wanted to be in on that strength. And I thought Ethereum was the stronger of the two. Remember, I called out this higher low here on Ethereum. So I got everything right. I just fucking fumbled it again. And it's frustrating because I basically fumbled the Bitcoin longs here, which ended up being a $10,000 move. And I fumbled 2,500 ETH entries for peanuts. Like I still made money, but what I should have made was way more. But it happens, man. And I know some of you are feeling this feeling, whether it be you fucked up a trade and you fumbled it, or you feel like you've missed the bull run, right? You feel like you've missed the rally. If you've been following me for a while, we've been bullish for ages. I've been screaming from the rooftops, 20,000, 25,000 BTC cheap. Ethereum as close to $1,000 as possible, 1,500 to 1,800, mega bull, and that's played out. So I can understand, you're like, fuck, Bitcoin's up 2x now, Ethereum's up 2x from those levels. I've missed it. Sol went on a huge rally. I missed it. I missed the move. I'm late. You're angry. You feel like you fucked it, and now you're frozen. Right? You're feeling like you're frozen. If we are going to continue to all-time highs in the next couple weeks, months, you haven't missed anything. Obviously, yes, there are things that are up. There's tons of laggards out there that have not rallied as hard, and there's still tons of upside left. So you need to frame things more positively. It's not, oh man, I missed it. What the fuck? I'm frozen out. I can't get in. It's too late to buy. It's, holy shit, we're super bullish. I can't wait for how much opportunity is about to be available to me. So don't let your mindset freeze you out of the game and miss out on these future moves, because we haven't even broken all-time highs yet. There's still lots of room for things to get crazy. Lots of 10, 20Xs will be available. FOMO will kick in well past all-time highs. So if you're feeling like I'm feeling right now, just with fumbling these trades, like, fuck, I missed out. I should have made all this money and everyone's making money but me and I fucked up. Don't worry about it. There's going to be tons more opportunity available to us in the coming weeks, months, and throughout 2024, in my opinion. So pay attention, get locked in, change that mindset. No negative talk. Be positive. It's not, what did I miss? It's too late. It's, oh man, there's so much opportunity available. That's where it starts. So quick little pep talk from your boy Main there. So what am I thinking chart-wise here? Bitcoin looking like it's consolidating here. The question is this consolidation before another move up, or is this distribution, right? And we're actually going to break down and trade lower. So the two scenarios I'm really watching are one more push on Bitcoin and then a correction, or this is probably the high. Maybe we push up a little bit, but this is probably the high, and we're going to trade a little bit lower from here. So either way, I'm interested in seeing how alts react. So Bitcoin specifically, we have a big level right here. I'm bidding this all day if we come anywhere near this on Bitcoin. Simple as that. We come near there, order block before the move up. If we come near here, I think that's an insta snap on Bitcoin. If we're just going to go up from here, then so be it. I don't really have a leverage position there. Ethereum, very similar. If we get a dip anywhere from 2680 down to 2600, I'm buying that sell-off. I'm buying that sell-off. I'm looking to long that sell-off, insta-clap for higher prices. To me, this is the main trade that I'm looking for next, is I still like ETH BTC here, is this, and then we're over 3K. So if we get something like this on Ethereum, that's my main go-to. If you're trying to trade alts, you want to find the altcoins that are still looking bullish, still looking good. Like you look at something like ARB, right? This still to me looks really, really strong. We're going to have to see how some of these weekly candle closes. I know it's a 3-day weekend as well. DYDX, I like. OP, I like. You guys know I'm in OX. Say has been an absolute monster for us. So there's still a lot of altcoins here. I think Inge, everyone's trying to long Inge. I saw 30 people long the top of this candle last night on my feed. I do think that this is consolidating and is eventually going to break out with a big candle to the upside. So again, don't stress yourself out about missing moves. Plan the next trade. Get out of that negative mindset of, oh, woe is me, fucking, I missed it, whatever. Get locked in. There's going to be so many opportunities coming. You need to be paying attention, because that's the mistake you can make. It's okay to miss moves. What's not okay is allowing that negativity to then affect your actions going forward, right? So I still think things look good. I took a short on SPX. It went straight up. I closed. It dumped right back to my entry. So I'm a little annoyed. But we have seen a little bit of a cough here. On equities, maybe we get some sort of pullback here, which could line up with a deeper pullback on Bitcoin. But literally, like this is where I'm at right now. Alerts, and I'm waiting to see how the next few days shake out. Marking out similar levels on altcoins that I like, where I think maybe we could get them if we get some sort of flush on Bitcoin. Right, like this is a decent flush here. This is 5%. You're going to see some altcoins drop 10, 15, even 20% on a 5% down move on Bitcoin. If they're an alt you like, if it's coming into a level of interest on that Bitcoin flush, that's your time to take that risk, right? We're in a bull run here, right? The market is super bullish. You want to be taking shots, right? Being conservative in the bear market is fine. But when we're in an uptrend like this is when you want to get aggressive on bidding those dips, because sometimes they're shallower than you think, and sometimes they're just really quick. Like if you look at Ethereum here, I said, hey, I want to bid this. We got one down candle, came halfway, and then just new high. This could be it. This could be the low. We don't have to come down here, but I'm prepared to bid if we do. So I suggest you get in your charts, mark up those levels of interest for you, where you think price may go to, and work on that mindset, right? Take some time away if you need to recenter, but don't let yourself be frozen out of all the upside that is still yet to come based on the fact that you've missed a move or you feel like you've missed out on some of this rally. It's totally okay. If you think Bitcoin's going to 100K, That's a 2x from here. That means there's a lot of 5 and 10x's still going to be available in these markets. So get locked in, and I'll be here. I'm not going anywhere for an entire month straight. Trying to do a YouTube video pretty much every day. So we'll be talking to you soon. Peace out. If you're interested in this style of trading and having that shit identified for you, as you guys know, I do have an indicator. It'll mark all that out for you. At the highest level, it's extremely sophisticated with all the different stuff you can have it show for you. It can do order blocks, breakers, fair value gaps, SFPs. And really one of the most important things is it will actually mark out the market structure levels for you. We do have a free version as well. So if you just type in IMG, this is completely free. It will mark out your H12 market structure. You can see there's your high and your low. It'll mark out the fair value gaps, the order blocks, all that stuff for free. If you want more info, link in the description.